In relation to space and time in te reo Māori, mua and muri can often cause confusion. Spatially, or where something is, mua is used to talk about being in front and muri is used to talk about being behind. But in relation to time, mua describes the past whilst muri describes the future. So spatially, mua means in front of us, whereas in relation to time, mua means behind us or in the past. Now that's confusing if we see ourselves looking forward into time, into the future. Now you might have heard the concept that Māori walk backwards through time, always looking in the rearview mirror, always looking behind them to learn from the past. And a way that helps me understand, or at least conceptualize that better, is rather than me as an individual walking backwards, I like to think of a collective of people. You imagine everyone standing around in a circle holding hands. For that circle to grow and expand, for us to add more people into the circle, we need to move backwards. We need to take a step backwards to be able to add more people into our circle. And that's the way that I like to conceptualize how we grow, how we expand, how we move forward in time collectively, while still having our focus, our eyes towards the past.